Hello everybody, welcome back to my video. I am Crystal Real Nestor and you're viewing me on the Thomas Reviews channel where we do unboxings, setups, how-tos, product reviews, and ladies and gentlemen, I have one for y'all today. I am so excited about this. It's a small thing, but it's a great thing. All you organizers out there, tune in for this unboxing. So I'm actually going to not only unbox it, but I'm going to attempt to use it. And you asked me, what is it? Let's see if y'all see my hand here. I'm excited. Okay, ooh. Okay, that's a little bit more than I was expecting. So there's 2 tags in here. This is and they gave you little belts to go with them. This is a one of those vacuum seal bags, right? That you don't have to actually use a vacuum cleaner to seal. That's what I am super ecstatic about. I don't have my phone in here to open it, but this is one of the bags where you put the item in and then you press down on it, zip it, press down on it and zip it in order for it to compact. Let's see. So this is what it looks like. This is huge. I am definitely going to make sure to put the link in the description. Look how big this bag is, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, let's get organized for the winter and the summer. Matter of fact, it actually comes with 2 bags with the little compression thing on it. It's 2 bags in here. I only opened for 1. This is also, it's 2 of these as well. Okay. No, it's just 1. Oh, they gave you an extra, like, I guess if you wanted to put a blanket in here. It's the Ziploc bag one. They gave you that. You put a blanket in it, I guess. And then you're able to squeeze the air out here. It says, okay, here. Turn this way to open and turn this way to close. So this is extra. But this right here is what I want to use. So I actually bought 2 blankets in here. I might have fit like 4 blankets in here. Let me see. Let's check this out. I am so excited. This bag is so huge. So here's one. Okay. Here's 2. I guess I can go check. Okay. So I can tell y'all that is 2. I am going to pause for 1 second and go get another blanket. I want to see how many I can fit in here. I'm thinking 4. 1 sec.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay. So I'm back. I got another blanket. And as y'all see, these are queen to king size blankets because it depends on how I was feeling when I bought it. So far, this is number 4 that I'm piling in here. These are, to give you a better description, I apologize, I didn't do that at first. To give you a better description of what these are, they are called compression bags, made by Vercclik, ultra space saving large self compression bags for comforters and blankets to keep you organized. And that's what I actually got these for, was for my comforters and blankets. And so far, y'all see I put 3 comforters, 2 comforters, and 2 quilts are in here. And again, these are king and queen size. So it's 4. And we are going to zip in it. I still have just a little bit room, so like I could have squeezed a sheet set in here or maybe a bigger comforter in here. So what you do is you zip in it, and as you zip in it, well this is the handle to make it look like a suitcase. There's also a handle here, and I'm not sure if y'all can pick this up, but I want to show you. There's a hole here. So I'm gonna try to give you a better view, like so. Okay. So what we have to do, it's 3 handles, 2 on the sides, 1 in the front. What we have to do is find the next zipper level here. I don't know, maybe I'm supposed to go up. Maybe I gotta flip it over after I put this in there. So we going down, we're gonna zip in. We're gonna see how small this baby gets, okay? And I got large ones. So you probably could even find these in a smaller version if you wanted to do like winter versus summer clothes. I should have timed how long it takes me to do this, but I don't think it matters if it's saving you space at home. Actually, it's not that bad in zipping in at all. Okay. Do we go another level? Oh, okay. That's one level. And then this is the second level. So remember I showed you all the hole at the top. So I guess that's where all the air is going out of it. Some of you, if you old school, remember having somebody sit on the suitcase while you close it. So this, this is not gonna hurt your feelings at all. Okay, I'm having a little war. I think that's because maybe I'm not squeezing out enough air. Maybe I should sit on it. Y'all didn't see that. I'll let the hubby leave that one in there so y'all can have a little fun with it, but
I still love you.
oh my. There we go. It's almost there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm almost there. Boom. And there's our baggie. So, went down 2 layers. And honestly, I probably couldn't afford to get a sheet set in there or 2. Pretty cool, huh? So if you had like a nice little comfy sofa space, or tote space that you wanted to store these, I will say 8 out of 10 recommend. I don't want to blame the out of breath on the bags on me, but I am so excited. I have 2, I think I told you guys, 2 came in there, and there's also a compression bag. So I will be able to put away all my sheets and blankets and be able to store them better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you all for spending time with me during this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video, comments down below, and I'll see you all on the next video.